In today's video, I'll show you how to create a structured opening where layered sections flip and stack into place, revealing your video step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Flip Stack, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, multiple layers flip and stack into position, gradually revealing the video with a clean and organized look. Use the duration slider to control how fast the layers flip. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and dynamic. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more professional feel. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the layered movement feels balanced. And that's it. You've successfully added a flip stack reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.